Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle Semester Series, Standard 2nd, Semester 1, book. Page number 29. Page number 29. Exercise. Correct the correct statement and wrong the wrong ones. Tanya is celebrating her birthday on Sunday. Tanya is celebrating her birthday on Sunday. Wrong. Mother has baked a chocolate cake. Correct. Tanya has invited her school friends. Correct. Mother made pizza. Wrong. The children danced and played games. Tanya, correct it is. Tanya dressed up in a pink frock. Tanya dressed up in a pink frock. Correct. Match the gifts Tanya got. Match the gifts Tanya got. Write the answers in the given space. So, A column, B column. Friend gave her. You have to find out from column B and write in column answer column. Answer column. See here. Friends gave her a set of story books. Friends gave her a set of story books. Tarun gave her a painting set. A painting set. Grandparents gave her a pen set. Parents gave her a new school bag. A new school bag. Page number 29 we have completed. Come to page number 30. 29 over. Come to page number 30. Activity, language, development. Activity, language, development. So, see here. Make 5 words using letters in each of the following words and write them. Birthday, chocolate, decorated and sandwiches. Birthday. Now what you have to do? birthday. Birthday is there, no? In this only you have to make 5 words. That is birth, day, THIRD. Third, BATH, bath, and dirt. See here, DIRT, dirt. This way, from chocolate also you should write like that. Chocolate, late, hot, cool, ate, tea. Decorated, rate, cord, rat, care, dare. Sandwiches, sand, chased, wind, bid, and dine. Bid, dine, D-I-N-E, D-I-N-E, dine. Read the questions, correct the correct answer. A grasshopper was singing and playing. What was it? A grasshopper was singing and playing. What was it? A chirpy grasshopper. A bored grasshopper. A chirpy grasshopper. And second one. An ant was moving to and fro, carrying food. What was it? A lazy ant, a busy ant. An ant was moving to and fro, carrying food. What was it? A busy ant. A busy ant. The sun was shining brightly. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. What was it? A sunny day, a rainy day. Brightly shine. shine. So a sunny day. Correct the sunny one. Now the grasshopper had no food and was weak. What was it? A sad grasshopper, a hungry grasshopper. A hungry grasshopper had no food and was weak. What was it? A hungry grasshopper. Hungry grasshopper. Page number 30 is over now. Page number 31. Now, third one. Now, use the describing words given in question 2 to fill in the blanks. It was a sunny day. As the sun was shining brightly in the sky, a grasshopper was singing and playing in the grass. The chirpy grasshopper saw an ant moving up and down the path, taking food to its ant hill. It called out to the ant, "Come and play with me." The busy ant replied, "I am storing food for the rainy days. You better do so. Too." The lazy grasshopper, however, continued to sing and play. During the rains, the ant had plenty of food, but the grasshopper had no food and was weak. The hungry grasshopper then realized how lazy it had been. How lazy it had been. Activity grammar development. Activity grammar singular and plural. Read and remember. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. Example: one apple, two apples. One cherry, many cherries. Add s to the noun to show the plural form. Read the words. Table, tables. Key, keys. Book, books. Carrot, carrots. Chair, chairs. Shoe, shoes. Ray, rays. Girl, girls. Market, markets. House, houses. Cabbage, cabbages. Donkey, donkeys. Donkeys. Everywhere table is one and tables are more than one. Key, keys. Only you have to write here s. This is singular and this is plural. This is plural form. Table, tables. Tables. We have add only s over here. Only s. In this way you have to write. Now page number 32. Page number 32. Second one, that is add es to the noun to show plural form. Tomato, tomatoes. Only es here. Tomato, only es you have to write. Es. Glass, glasses. Potato, potatoes. Dish, dishes. Fox, foxes. Bus, buses. Match, matches. Sandwich, sandwiches. HES. Now match each singular noun with its plural form. Singular, plural. Foot, what will you write? Fit. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women, woman, woman. See here, singular and plural what I am showing you. Woman, woman. Then gozy, gazy. Mouse, mouse, mice. Person, people. Child, children. Child, children. So we will mark here. See here. Foot, fit. Tooth, teeth. Woman, woman. Woman, woman. Gozy, gazy. Mouse, mice. Person, people. Child, children. This way you have to write. Page number 32 we have completed. Now come to 33. Drop, drop, drop F. Fourth one. Drop F or FE. Add VES to the given words to form the plural forms. To form the plural forms. Shelf, SHELF. Shelf is there. Shelves, SHELVES. Shelves. Wolf, wolves. Wolf, wolves. Wife, wife. WIFE, wife. Wives, WIVES. Wives. Thief, thief, thieves. Leaf, leaves. Life, lives. Loof, loof. LOAF, loof. Loaves, LOAVES. Loaves. Knife, knives. NIVES. KNIFE, knife. Knives, NIVES. In this way you have to write with F, VES. Some nouns keep the same form in the plural form. Read and remember. Read and remember. One deer, many deer. One fish, many fish. One sheep, many sheep. One bison, many bison. Many bison. Challenge. Write one sentence for each of the following pictures using plural forms. Write the sentences in your notebook. There are many leaves on a twig. There are many leaves on a twig. There are 2 deer in the forest. There are 2 deer in the forest. There are 3 fish in the fish tank. There are 3 fish in the fish tank. There are 5 mosquitoes. There are 5 mosquitoes. In this way you have to write. Page number 33 is over. Now see page number 35. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Caring and sharing keeps friends together. Friends meet over lunch and in break. They part one day but without any fear. They part one day but without any fear. They make new friends but keep the old. They keep the new friends but the old one. Now, activity language development. Replace the first letter by and other letter, any other letter. Make 4 new words for each word given below. Read all words. See here, cake. Cake. What we have to do is first letter, replace the first letter. See here, cake is there, bake, fake, make, take. Take. Only first letter you have to change and AKE is as it is. Then here, beer, dear, fear, gear, GEAR, gear. Ball is there, ball, call, fall, gel, GALL, gel, and TALL, 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 gel, tall. Home, come, dome, some, tome, T-O-M-E, tome. Bold, cold, fold, told, sold. Okay? Only the first letter you have to change and the remaining as it is you have to write. Only bold is there. Instead of that we have written cold, fold, told, sold. Write the writing skill. Write 5 sentences on my friend in your notebook. Write 5 sentences on my friend in your notebook. So, write 5 sentences on my friend in your notebook. You write. Speaking skill. Discuss the meaning of caring and sharing with your friends. Now, activity, grammar, types of sentences. Read and remember. Put a full stop if the sentence tells something. Put a full stop if the sentence tells something. Example, I am going to school. Full stop. Put a question mark if the sentence asks something. If the sentence asks something. Example, can I come with you in your car? Can I come with you in your car? Put a question mark if the sentence asks something. Example, can I come with you in your car? Question mark. Then page number 36. Put an exclamation mark, this is called, if the sentences show surprise or excitement. Example, oh my god, wow, a new dress. This is exclamation mark, this is. Put a full stop or a question mark or exclamatory mark. Okay. Turn off the fan. Full stop. Hurrah! We won the match. This is exclamation mark. Listen to the story. Why are you excited? Yes. What a cute puppy. Close the window, please. Close the window, please. Then, that was terrible. Again, exclamation. What was terrible? Exclamatory. What will you do now? Question mark. Okay. Now, second one, correct the statements with the correct end marks. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? This is correct. Where do you want to go? This is correct. Wow, or rainbow. Correct. I own a quiz test. This is wrong. I won a quiz test. This is wrong. Question mark they have given, no? Are those carrots and beetroots? Wrong. When will you come home? See, when will you come home? This is correct. What a surprise. There should be question mark, no? What a surprise. They have given full stop. So this is wrong. Where do you want to go? Correct. So it is also correct. This way you have to go on writing. Have you understood? Yes. Now third one. Read the sentences. Circle the end mark that matches the sentences one has been done for you. One has been done for you. Okay. Sania is sailing in a boat. Sania is sailing in a boat. That is full stop. Ouch, my foot. Ouch. Ouch, my foot. This is exclamation. May I have your pencil, please? Full stop. May I have your pencil, please? Then, what a beautiful flower. What a beautiful flower. This is exclamation. Exclamation. Okay. How are you? Question mark. How are you? Question mark you have to put there. Sania and Samira are friends. Sania and Samira are friends. Full stop. Challenge. Challenge. Write 3 sentences in your notebook. Using a full stop, a question mark, and an exclamation mark. So, from page number 29, from page number 29 to 37. From page number 29 to 37, you write for one time. And learn by heart. Yes, see the homework. Today's homework. Read and write from page number 29 to 37 for one time. Page number 29 to 37. Okay, children. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.